Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Chima Matter Spiritual TV. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you for being here. My name is Brother Chima Prince Matter and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, we share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual messages, messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will better your life. And if you're a first-time visitor on this beautiful channel, I want to say welcome to our channel, and I pray for you that the Almighty God and the universe shall bless you and make your life better and grant you your expectations as you continue to follow us on this channel. And if you have not subscribed already, please subscribe to this channel, like my videos, and share it with family and friends. And to you, my returning subscribers, the real backbones of mine on this particular channel, thank you for all your encouragement and for all your comments and contributions on how this family will grow high. I bless you and I say, may the name of the ancestors and the name of the Lord continue to bless you. Today again, I am coming out with another power-packed spiritual tips on how to end your stagnation and backwardness using lemon and cinnamon. Yes, the lemon. We're gonna be using the lemon, and I also have my powdered cinnamon with me. With these two ingredients and materials, we are going to be looking into on how to end stagnation and backwardness. Yes, so that one can prosper in whatsoever they are doing. If you are ready to go with me, stay tuned. Make sure you watch this particular video to the end, and you will have every reason to give glory to the Almighty God. Yes, we are going to start with the property of lemon. Lemon has a connection with the sun and has a solar energy. And lemon also has a property of purification, cleansing, love, and expelling negative energies around you and your home. So when you deploy the usage of lemon, you purify yourself, you purify your environment of negative vibes, you sanctify and create a vacuum for brightness, for positive energies and answer. In fact, lemon is an expellant to darkness. There is no doubt about that. Then you and I might have known or might not be aware about the cinnamon powder. The cinnamon equally have the properties of expelling darkness and attracting light, positivities, favor, love, blessing. So we are going to be combining the spiritual properties of cinnamon and lemon in order to end backwardness and stagnation once and for all. You may ask, what do I mean by stagnation? And what do I mean by backwardness? Now listen. So many people as a human being started up their life very well. They were blessed by God with good destiny, good glory, and they are moving forward and things are moving smoothly for them. But at a point in time in their life, you find out that things are no longer moving the way they are to be moving. Yes, this is setback. When things are no longer moving the way they are moving for that individual, you see yourself staying at a particular level. You are not growing and you are not decreasing. You are just there. Possibly because you have been contaminated Possibly because a curse has been laid on your space of prosperity in life in order to pin you down to a particular place, stagnant. In the spiritual realm, everything is possible because the spiritual control the physical realm. And at times, you are not even growing, you are not at the same level, but you find yourself reprogressing, going backwards. Everything you have acquired are all vanishing. Favor is not coming, helpers are not coming. Even people that are used to be kind to you, people that won't show you love because you are doing fine, everybody is not turning away from you. They are running away from you because things has gone from bad to worst for you. Because there are some forces of darkness that are responsible and their business is oppression. Pull him backwards. I will not go deep into that, but I want you to know there are powers that do not allow somebody to grow against a standard or a level in life. It might come from your family, it might come from the family of birth, it might come from the place where you are living. Yes, if that place is invaded with the power of darkness, you see yourself being oppressing. You see yourself being at a spot. They draw the line of barrier. They place embargo on your finances. They place embargo on your business. They place embargo on your relationship. They place embargo even on your spiritual growth. But let me tell you, to the glory of God, there is a way out. And I want to thank God who has given me this knowledge and benefit. Yes, let me tell you a little story. When Moses was with the Israelites and they were leaving Egypt, Moses were complaining because there was so many challenges. And God said to Moses, why are you complaining? Tell my people that they should go forward. So it is the will of God for you and I to move forward. And everything that is going to stop us from moving forward, today, God will stop them from existence in our life. That is why we are going to be using this wonderful fruit called lemon and cinnamon powder in stopping the power of stagnation and backwardness. How do you do this? How do you cut off the bondage of backwardness and stagnation? It is very simple. Now you get a lemon, you cut it into two this way, horizontally, this way. I'm coming. Cut it horizontally into two this way. Then you get your cinnamon powder. Pour little part of cinnamon powder on the face of the sliced lemon. I am going to show you after doing this. When you have poured the cinnamon inside this, after cutting it horizontally, what do? You bring down under your feet. You begin to use it to scrub underneath your feet this way. You use the cinnamon that is mixed with the lemon that you have sliced into two, and you begin to use that half to scrub under your legs, under your feet. As you are scrubbing with the mixture of the cinnamon and the lemon, you are decreeing every cause of stagnation, every bewitchment to the place of my prosperity, I scrub you away. Every darkness, every blockage, every negative energy, every spell that has been cast to stagnate me or to pull me backwardness, today I break out of the cause of stagnation. Today I break out of every backwardness. I receive the ability and the divine speed to move forward to achievement. After making your prayer, you do it. Yes. Have faith and do this. It really does work. You can decide to do this once in a week. You can decide to do this twice in a week. Keep doing it until you see positive changes in your life. If it is for changes, it is definitely going to come. These are tested and trusted remedy. So don't do it one day and say, yes, I have done it, and you now go and rest. Continuation brings freedom. That is what I want you to know. As you continue to do this by the grace of the Almighty God, you are going to testify. If your place of prosperity has been stagnated, at a twinkle of an eye, you will receive a boost. Yes, I believe that somebody has gotten a new knowledge today on how to break the yoke of spell or bewitchment or gene of stagnation and backwardness. Share this video to family and friends. You can be saving a soul somewhere out there. Also, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Yes, so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified with immediate effect. When you click the subscribe button at the down right of this video, also ignite the alarm bell, the notification bell, so that you will be able to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Yes, you want to say something, you want to bring an opinion, you want to give an idea, write it out at the comment section, because that is why we are family, all joint supply. And you want me to make a video on any topic of your interest, please kindly say it out at the comment section. And you want to get across to me via one-on-one phone communication, my phone number is +234-7088-136610. That is my phone number. I remain your brother Chima, Prince Matter, a spiritualist. Till we meet again in my next video, stay cool and be good. Love you.